How to fix WinRAR disk space error. Stop using double storage. Stop wasting your disk space when extracting large files with WinRAR. Have you noticed that your storage fills up twice as fast as it should? Here is the reason why. When you drag and drop a file, WinRAR creates a hidden copy in your temp folder first. This means you need double the space on your system drive. But don't worry, because we can fix this in two simple ways. First, let's change the default temporary path. Open WinRAR and navigate to Options, then Settings. Switch over to the Folders tab immediately. Instead of using the C drive, pick a folder on your largest hard drive. This simple change stops WinRAR from clogging your Windows partition. Now here is the second and even faster trick. Stop using the drag and drop method for big archives. Instead, right-click your file and choose Extract here. By doing this, WinRAR sends the files directly to the destination. No temporary copies, no wasted space, and much faster speeds. Now you can handle even the biggest games without any storage errors. Like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes.